Subject Biology, Part 2nd. The chapter name is Study of Animal Type Cockroach. Today's topic is respiratory system, or also called as a tracheal system of cockroach. Cockroach has internal respiratory system of air tubes called tracheal system. Exchange of gases directly between the air and tissues without the need of blood. Spiracles, trachea and tracheoles are three major parts of respiratory system of cockroach. First is spiracle, second is trachea and third is tracheole. Spiracles. Spiracles are respiratory opening. They are paired, present on ventrolateral side of body in pleural membrane. Cockroach have 2 pairs of thoracic and 8 pairs of abdominal spiracles. The spiracles opens into a series of air sacs present which the tubes called trachea arise. Spiracles is a external respiratory organ of cockroach. Spiracles is a external opening through skin. The chitinous body wall is a covering of spiracles. Then next is a trachea. The trachea arrange branching tubes transversely as well as longitudinally. Each branches into tracheoles. Concentrate the figure. Trachea is about 1 mm thick wall with spiral or annular thickening of chitin. Chitin prevents the collapsing. The spiracle is opens into a trachea. Then next is a tracheoles. Tracheole. These are fine intercellular tubes that penetrate deep into tissue. Thin without chitin. Tracheoles end blindly in the cells. Each tracheole at the blind end filled with a watery fluid through which gas exchange. This is actual spot of exchange of gases directly cellular level to spiracles. The content of this fluid keeps changing. At the high muscular activity, a part of fluid is drawn into a tissue to enable more and rapid oxygen intake. The body fluid simply acts as a stationary medium for diffusion. When high muscular activity, the fluid drawn tissue enable more or rapid oxygen intakes with the help of directly spiracles. The trachea is a structure between spiracles and tracheole. The trachea arrange branching tubes transversely as well as longitudinally. Each branch into a tracheoles. Trachea is about 1 mm thick with spiracle or annular thickening of chitin. Chitin prevents the spiracle collapsing. After the high muscular activity, the cells require more quantity of oxygen. This oxygen takes place through a tracheoles directly in the cellular level. The body fluid simply acts as a stationary medium for diffusion. This is complete respiratory system of cockroach. The next system is excretory system of cockroach. Malpighian tubules are main excretory organ of cockroach. They are attached to an alimentary canal between the midgut and hindgut. They are thin yellow colored ectodermal thread-like structure hanging freely in hemocell. They are about 150 in number. There are 150 Malpighian tubules are present in a cockroach. On the screen, magnifying image of Malpighian tubules. Each Malpighian tubules is a line with a single layer of glandular epithelium. The cells of Malpighian tubules as a like microvilli. Distal part of Malpighian tubules absorptive in function. The extract water and nitrogenous waste from the hemocell and convert into uric acid. This uric acid passes them into ileum. As the cockroach excretes uric acid, it is said to be uricotelic. The excretory product of cockroach is uric acid, hence cockroach is a uricotelic animal. In addition, the fat bodies, nephrocytes and uricose gland. Uricose gland present in only male cockroach also helps in excretion. In cockroach, urate cell, also called as a nephrocytes, these nephrocytes associated with fat bodies and cuticle are also believed to be excretory in function. The nephrocytes are cells present along with the nitrogenous waste. The excretory product later are removed in the hemocell. Some nitrogenous waste are deposited on the cuticle and eliminated during molting.